WhatsApp, the ubiquitous messaging app with billions of users worldwide, has remained a dominant force in the instant messaging landscape. From its humble beginnings in 2009 to its acquisition by Facebook in 2014 for a whopping $19 billion, WhatsApp's journey has been nothing short of remarkable. However, one lingering question remains for many. How does WhatsApp make money, especially when it doesn't have any ads within the app? Let's delve into the revenue models and strategies that underpin the financial success of this messaging giant. Early monetization strategy, subscription fees. In its initial years, WhatsApp adopted a subscription-based model for monetization. Users were offered the service free for the first year, after which they were required to pay an annual fee of 99 cents. This model was both simple and user-friendly. It promised an ad-free experience, something that set WhatsApp apart from many of its competitors. However, after Facebook acquired WhatsApp, this subscription fee was abolished in 2016. Mark Zuckerberg, Facebook's CEO, believed in achieving a broader user base first before focusing on monetization. And that's precisely what happened. WhatsApp user base exploded globally. The Facebook acquisition and data synergy. One of the primary reasons Facebook acquired WhatsApp was its vast and rapidly growing user base. Facebook, with its suite of products, is heavily reliant on advertising for revenue. Even though WhatsApp doesn't show ads, the data it accumulates about users' behavior and connections is invaluable. While WhatsApp claims to employ end-to-end encryption, ensuring that messages can only be seen by the sender and the recipient, metadata, like user activity, login frequencies, and other non-content data, can be utilized. By integrating this metadata across its platforms, Facebook can fine-tune its advertising algorithms for better targeting on its main platform and on Instagram. WhatsApp Business and API. WhatsApp's clear pivot towards monetization began with the introduction of the WhatsApp Business app in 2018. This version is designed for small and medium-sized businesses to communicate with their customers directly. The platform allows businesses to set up a catalog, automate messages, and respond to customer inquiries. While the basic business app is free, advanced features are monetized. Then there's the WhatsApp Business API. Larger enterprises use it to send notifications and customer service messages at scale. WhatsApp charges these businesses for sending messages via the API. For instance, if a bank uses WhatsApp to send transaction alerts, or an airline sends boarding passes or flight updates, they're paying WhatsApp for every message delivered. Potential future monetization strategies. While the current revenue streams are noteworthy, the future holds even more potential. Here are some speculated and announced avenues. Advertisements. Though WhatsApp has remained ad-free, there have been discussions about introducing ads into WhatsApp Status, the app's version of Stories. If this happens, it will open up a significant revenue stream for the company. WhatsApp Payments. Already being tested in countries like India and Brazil, WhatsApp Payments allows users to send and receive money within the app. Once fully rolled out, WhatsApp could charge a nominal fee for transactions or even partner with banks and financial institutions for a share of the revenue. E-commerce integration. Building on the business app, there's potential for deeper e-commerce integrations. Businesses could soon have full-fledged stores within WhatsApp, similar to Instagram's shopping feature, providing another revenue stream for the app. The importance of emerging markets. Emerging markets like India, Brazil, and parts of Africa are crucial for WhatsApp's growth and monetization strategies. The app's simplicity and low data usage make it ideal for regions with less robust internet infrastructure. As these markets are ripe for digital transformation in areas like online shopping and digital payments, WhatsApp's integrations in business and payment sectors are particularly pertinent. In essence, WhatsApp monetization strategy has been a blend of legacy approaches, synergy with Facebook, and innovative solutions tailored for businesses. As the digital landscape evolves and the app continues to be an essential communication tool for billions, its revenue generation methods are bound to expand and diversify. With the potential addition of ads, e-commerce, and more, it will be interesting to observe how WhatsApp balances its commitment to user privacy and experience with its commercial ambitions. One thing is for sure. As a major player in the messaging world, WhatsApp's financial journey is as dynamic as its technological one. The privacy challenge and monetization. One cannot explore the revenue streams and future money-making strategies of WhatsApp without addressing the challenges brought about by its